Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome to my channel. So today we have a natural wave wig. I styled it to perfection. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you stay tuned. Hey guys, you know how I do. I like to show you the boxes that I get so you know it's official with the hair. Today's hair is from Unice Hair. They sent me a 360 lace front wig. It's a natural wave. It came with some lashes and of course a wig cap. And here is the packaging outside of the box. And here is the hair outside of the box with the net on top. When I first seen this wig, I loved these curls. They were so beautiful. But when I tried to install it with the curls like that, I just, I needed to do my own customizing. So I was like, I can't keep that, the curl pattern. But I tried my best to duplicate it. You will see soon. But again, this is a 360 wig. As you can see, the lace is all around the wig. It comes with comb in the back, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle. And they really constructed this wig very well. I wind up bleaching these knots and plucking it a little bit. So here's how the wig looks after I did that. It doesn't have that same curl pattern, but I'm gonna show you how to get as close as possible to that curl pattern. I actually just used my wand curl, but right here I'm just installing the wig with my Gots to Be glued. If you're not new, you know how I do. So we're just working on that, and just stay tuned. We're just gonna watch me install this wig. So in my hair, I have a natural wave. It's 150% density and it's 24 inches. So it comes kind of like with a natural kind of curly wave, as you guys may have seen in the beginning. But once I washed it and everything, it kind of had like that body wave feel. So I decided to, wand curl this hair. So I like to use this Beauty Lab wand curler. It's amazing. I bought this from like a little hair vendor in the mall. If you're interested in it, just Google it. That's what I do. I don't know exactly where something comes from. I just Google it and I find it, okay? So this hair is super, super long. Look at it. Excuse my big old baby bump. But it comes down to my waist. Yeah. The hair is really soft. That's what I like about it. It came pre-plucked. I didn't do any extra plucking. This is the hairline. As you can see, it's not absolutely perfect because I don't have it behind my ears, but as long as the front is laid, we good. I did bleach the knots, so I wanted a more natural look. If you don't want to bleach the knots, I know some people don't like it, but I think it looks more natural in my opinion. So that's what I did. Let's see, where's the stuff I use? Oh, this is a must-have. This is Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. It's for frizzy, dry, and unmanageable hairs from Fruit Garnier. So if you don't have this, make sure you get this. And I just put it all over the hair, and then I do like smaller sections that are more frizzy, and it makes your hair like really curl. Like as you guys can see, it looks really good. And I did these curls about an hour ago, and it still looks like this. So I give them a thumbs up, and it actually, the curls are pretty much staying. So hopefully it stays throughout the day. That's what I'm hoping for. And to make sure that does that, I use the Got to Be Glued Freeze It spray. The only thing I can say about this wig is it does shed. It could be because I bleached the knots. I don't know. I don't really think that's the reason, but it does shed a little bit, but nothing, unmanageable. But I do want to let you guys know about that. Hairline's good. Length's good. Doesn't tangle, so that's really good. I hate wigs that tangle. Usually the hair I get like never tangles. If it does, I'll let you guys know. But overall, so far so good. Unice hair is very popular, so I'm pretty sure you heard about them, and they are good. They have great quality. I can't complain. This is my second time doing a video for them. They have different vendors on like AliExpress, just their own website, or they have Amazon as well, but this one was directly from Unice hair. Now if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have all the information in the description box below. Hopefully a coupon code. Let's see if they sent me one. So this is some back to school hair. They have a back to school sale, and I'm showing here you get $8 off if you use the code LOVEUNICE. So if you're looking for some good back to school hair to slay, then this is the hair to get, okay? So what else was I say? Oh, shipping. I think shipping was FedEx, so it didn't take long at all. Usually the hair I get, like hair does not take long unless, I don't know, as long as it's USPS, FedEx, or DHL, you're gonna get your hair within a week, so you don't have to worry about that. That's the good thing. I don't like to wait for hair, and I know you guys don't, so don't worry about shipping, don't worry about shedding. Did I say everything? Tangling? Yep, I think I said everything. So if you have any other questions, I answer the comments. Leave it in the comment section below, and make sure you guys stay tuned for my wig giveaway. If you haven't already, make sure you comment some names for my baby girl, and I will be picking the winner soon with my boyfriend, so make sure you guys stay tuned, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know how I do. I really appreciate your support. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I want to thank Unice Hair for sending me this hair again. It looks so good. If you think so, let me know, okay? So thanks again for watching.